Welcome everyone! In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a very powerful indicator that can be used to identify trends, trend change, and managing risk. It is called EMA Cloud Indicator. For those of you who are unfamiliar, EMA stands for exponential moving average. Later in the video, I will show you how to set it up in a platform called TradingView. Now let's get started. First thing, I wanted to cover what is moving average. Moving average is a commonly used technical indicator to help identify trend direction as well as identifying support and resistance levels. The moving average that are used in the EMA clouds are the exponential moving averages. Next, let's talk about what is the EMA cloud. EMA cloud was created by a trader who goes by Twitter handle Ripster47. He is well known for his highly successful trades and has a fan following on Twitter. I have linked his file in the description below. For those of you who are interested, you can check it out. The EMA cloud pairs two exponential moving averages with a color filled in between, creating a cloud-looking image on your chart. The color of the cloud changes when the two EMAs cross over, creating a clear visualization that signals a potential trend change. Let's take a look at an example. In this chart, I have a 34 EMA and a 50 EMA. The 34 EMA means EMA with a length of 34, and the 50 EMA means EMA with a length of 50. You can see here are the crossovers of the two EMAs. Now let's take a look at the 34, 50 EMA cloud. I have set up the color on the EMA cloud, so that's when the 34 EMA cross over the 50 EMA. The cloud is green, and when the 50 EMA cross over the 34 EMA, the cloud changed to red. Now I'm going to put the two screens side by side. On the left chart, we have the 3450 EMA. On the right chart, we have the 3450 EMA cloud. The EMA cloud provides much clearer visual indication of the two EMA have crossed over, signaling a potential trend change. Now let's head over to TradingView and see how to set it up. For those of you who are not familiar with TradingView, TradingView is a social network platform that is used by more than 15 million traders and investors. You can use TradingView as a charting tool to find trade ideas or interact with other traders. I use TradingView for all my charting. I will upload a TradingView tutorial later to the channel. TradingView offers 1 month free trial unpaid plan, and they also offer a free plan. If you are interested in signing up TradingView, you can find my referral link in the description below. There are 4 simple steps to set up EMA Cloud on TradingView. Step 1. Go to Indicators and Strategies. Step 2. Search the script. Ripster EMA Clouds. Step 3. Add Ripster EMA Clouds to your chart. Step 4. Go to Settings and personalize your EMA Cloud. There are 5 sets of EMA Cloud in the script by default. There are 8 and 9 EMA, 5 and 13 EMA, 34 and 50 EMA, 72 and 89 EMA, and finally 180 and 200 EMA. You can customize the length of your EMA as well as the color of the cloud to tailor it to your needs and preference. Simply go to Setting, and then in the Input section, you can customize the length of the EMA and select the number of EMA clouds you want to display on your chart. In the Style section, you can customize the color of the cloud to your liking. In the next video, I will show you how I use EMA cloud indicators in my trading strategy. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications so you do not miss my upcoming videos. If you are new to the channel and like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell button. See you all in the next video. Good luck with your trade.